Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download WordPress theme customizer presets for UI easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by navigating to your WordPress dashboard. Locate and click on Appearance in the left sidebar. From the drop-down menu, select Customize. Once the customizer opens, look for the option labeled Global Options or Theme Options. Within that section, find the presets or styling options available. Review the preset options to see which ones you'd like to download. Some themes allow you to export presets directly. If that option is available, click on Export or Download Presets. If your theme does not provide a direct download option, you may need to manually copy the settings. Take note of the color schemes, font choices, and layout settings. Open a text document or spreadsheet to record these details. After you've documented all the settings, you can recreate them later. In some cases, third-party plugins may assist in exporting and importing presets. Search for a suitable plugin in the WordPress plugin repository if needed. Install and activate the plugin that meets your requirements. Follow the plugin's instructions to export your current settings. Save the downloaded file to your computer. To import these presets later, return to the customizer. Access the same global options or theme options area. Look for an import option provided by the theme or the plugin. Upload the file you previously downloaded. Adjust any settings as necessary to ensure compatibility. Save your changes in the customizer. Test your website to see the applied theme customizations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.